Full form of IPO. Answer: Initial Public Offering. Full form of NSE. Answer: National Stock Exchange. Full form of BSE. Answer: Bombay Stock Exchange. Full form of FDI. Answer: Foreign Direct Investment. Full form of SEBI. Answer: Securities and Exchange Board of India. Full form of Nifty. Answer: National Stock Exchange 50. Full form of Sensex. Answer: Stock Exchange Sensitive Index. Full form of EPS. Answer: Earnings per share. Full form of D by E. Answer: Debt to equity ratio. Full form of P by E. Answer: Price to earning ratio. Full form of YTD. Answer: Year to date. Full form of NAV. Answer: Net assessed value. Full form of MMKT. Answer: Money market. Full form of LTP. Answer: Last traded price. Full form of LTCG. Answer: Long term capital gain. Full form of STCG. Answer: Short term capital gain. Full form of FNO. Answer: Future and option. Full form of ROCE. Answer: Return on capital employed. Full form of ETF. Answer: Exchange Traded Fund. Full form of STT. Answer: Securities Transaction Tax. Full form of ROI. Answer: Return on investment.